my life partner, aka ROD, ni todo. After y'amasini yose nakuriye biranze uranyegukanye. Oh. Congratulations. Thank you for not giving up. Thank you for loving me. And thank you for your love and patience. I love you, not only for who you are, but also for what I became when I met you. So, as you know, and some of my family knows, I never really believed in marriage until you came along. I believe that we're what we call a perfect match. For so many reasons, today and forever, I take you as my husband to love, cherish in all our seasons of our life. I promise to respect you, love, and love your family as my own. I promise to pray for you and be by your side forever, and may God help me do so.
Yego. Mashimesh. Abatacumva nyine mureke gusakuza ariko Patrick we yumvise.
Soleil, notre histoire d'amour commence aujourd'hui. Je promets de la chérir et de la vivre intensement à tes côtés. Malgré la distance qui nous a parfois séparés, notre amour s'est renforcé. Je te promets de t'aimer, de te chérir et de construire une vie merveilleuse à tes côtés. Aujourd'hui marque le début de notre histoire d'amour avec toi. Soleil, ton nom est une promesse en soi. Tu illumines ma vie comme le soleil illumine le monde. Je suis impatient de vivre cette aventure à tes côtés. Je te promets de te soutenir, de t'encourager et d'être toujours là pour toi, dans les bons comme dans les mauvais moments. Je t'aime beaucoup et je t'aimerai.
Sande cyane, sande kabisa mashimesh. Mashimesh. Yego.
Njyewe nibishaka Patrick, ndakwakiriye wowe uwiringiye Imana Soleil, ngo umbere umugore, mugire twibanire uhereye uyu munsi no mu gihe kizaza, mu byiza no mu bibi, mu bukene no mu bukire, urwaye cyangwa uri muzima. Nzagukunda kandi nzagukundwa kaza kugeza ubwo urupfu rudutandukanirije mu bushake bwera bw'Imana. Kuri ibyo nkaba nkurahiriye nta buryarya ko nzaba mwizerwa imbere yawe, Imana izabimfashemo.
Komera Imana mashimesh. Imana izabigufashemo. Reka twakire Soleil.
Njyewe uwiringiye Imana Soleil, ndakwakiriye wowe nibishaka Patrick, ngo umbere umugabo, ntugire twibanire uhereye uyu munsi no mu gihe kizaza, mu byiza no mu bibi, mu bukene cyangwa mu bukire, urwaye cyangwa uri muzima. Nzagukunda kandi nzagukundwa kaza kugeza ubwo urupfu rudutandukanirije mu bushake bwera bw'Imana. Kuri ibyo nkaba nkurahiriye nta buryarya ko nzaba umwizerwa imbere yawe, Imana izabimfashamo.
Yego. Komera Imana mashi.
Amasengesho cyane kuri Patrick ndetse na Soleil. banyeganyega gake gake muri iyo njyana. Tubabwira tuti congratulations and celebrations. Amashyi menshi cyane, amashyi menshi cyane. Tubabwira tuti congratulations and celebrations. Amashyi muri iyo njyana. Atambuka neza, atambuka gitora, atambuka gipfura, atambuka iwabo wabeza, iwabo w'intajorwa, iwabo w'intagawa, iwabo w'inkanabazikamирwa, atambuka gitore, atambukana n'ingeri yabeza, ingeri y'amarere, atambukana rutirwa.
Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. For a lifetime.
Every day I swear I need you. With each glance, I love you more and more. Our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we soar. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. Forever and ever for a lifetime.
Forever.
Forever.
My soul found you and fell in love. Now I can't get you out of my mind.
Your tears, your touch, your lips, your love, your laugh, your songs, your stories.
Your heart, your arms, your lips, your laugh, your love, your songs, your stories.
Our tears, our prayers, our laugh, our love, our smiles, our songs, our stories. They're ours.
For a lifetime,
I'll love you. Two hearts, one beat.
you whisper to me,
Be mine for a lifetime.
it's the little things that make our hearts meet.
It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name.
I know we've waited and we've prayed.
Oh, darling,
Say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are
for a lifetime.